Stop wasting money on slow, weak RC cars. Today I'm going to show you top 5 best radio-controlled cars that deliver insane speed and precision you didn't know existed. You'll be shocked by how powerful these picks are. Don't blink or you'll miss the ultimate RC thrill. Let's start. Number 5. DeRC RC Car's DE36W remote control car delivers an immersive FPV driving experience with its 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera and adjustable 45-degree angle, letting you capture stunning videos and photos directly to your phone. Designed with dual control modes, you can race using a 2.4 GHz remote up to 165 feet or through a mobile app with 100 feet Wi-Fi range. Equipped with dual 7.4-volt 1000 mAh batteries offering 60 minutes total playtime, powerful motors reaching 15 to 20 kilometers per hour, shock absorbers, anti-skid tires, and a 1:16 full-scale body, this high-speed off-road truck handles diverse terrain safely and reliably, while providing exciting, durable fun for both kids and adults. Number 4. Bosadair RC Car with LED lights delivers an electrifying experience for kids ages 6 to 12 with its unique 360 degrees rolling stunt action. Designed with glittering LED lights that can be manually turned on or off, this RC car performs flips, spins, and rapid twirls while switching effortlessly between car and ball modes with a single button. Powered by 2 rechargeable batteries, providing 60-plus minutes of play and a top speed of 15 kilometers per hour. It's built with reinforced ABS plastic, rubber tires, and sturdy wheels for durability, safety, and high-speed indoor-outdoor fun, making it a perfect gift that enhances hand-eye coordination and thrill-packed racing adventures. Number 3. ThreeKing Remote Control Car delivers thrilling RC stunt action with double-sided driving and 360-degree flips, perfect for kids age 6 to 12. Its powerful electric motors, shock-absorbing tires, and anti-skid grip provide explosive speed and smooth control both indoors and outdoors. Breathing soft lights and automatic color changes add visual excitement while ensuring eye safety. One-click demo mode simplifies operation. And durable ABS plastic with reinforced motors guarantees long-lasting play. The dual joystick 2.4 GHz controller supports races with up to 6 cars over 160 feet, combining fun, performance, and reliability in one high-energy package. Number 2. Highboxing 1:18 scale all-terrain RC Car 1885-9 delivers an electrifying experience with its high-performance brushed RC 380 motor, reaching speeds up to 36 kph. This 4-wheel drive electric vehicle features a durable PVC body, independent suspension, solid gear differentials, and high-grip knobby off-road tires, making it perfect for all terrains like gravel, grass, and concrete. Its 2.4 GHz proportional remote offers precise control up to 280 feet, while dual 7.4-volt LiPo batteries provide up to 40 minutes runtime. Waterproof electronics, quick response brakes, and ready-to-run setup ensure thrilling, safe, and versatile performance for RC enthusiasts. Number 1. Blue Jay Remote Control Car delivers an exhilarating 33 km/h top speed powered by a high-performance RC 380 motor, perfect for adrenaline-fueled off-road racing. This 1:12 scale monster truck features a 2.4 GHz remote with a 50-meter control range, ensuring smooth, delay-free handling. Built with an ABS chassis and lightweight aluminum alloy body, it offers exceptional durability and impact resistance. LED headlights and chassis lights illuminate nighttime adventures, with 2 7.4-volt 1,400 mAh Li-ion rechargeable batteries, providing up to 70 minutes of continuous play. This RC car combines speed, reliability, and fun for kids and adults alike, making it a thrilling gift option.